Let's see what he's doing today. Hello!
What's this kid doing here today? We're supposed to record tomorrow.
Hello!
Go figure. Should have known it was you the second I heard the Kermit. It's gotta be Johnny B. What are you doing there, sweetheart?
You know, just ready for another video. It is Friday.
It is Friday. Sadly and unfortunately, I really don't have anything. Wait a minute. I got an idea. Give me 10 seconds, let me wrap this up. We're gonna go for a little ride. Sadly, not in this. Would you give that a gander? So, as everybody I have been watching and keeping track, so I was my editor of the videos and comment section, and so here's to alleviate any questionable doubt that the car sounds horrible. Mostly it's the Dodge guys that hate these cars. Go figure, right? Badoo smash. So we're gonna give y'all guys, as you can clearly see, the instrumentals. The car is in the aggressive mode, the shitty sounding Mustang mode. And here in a minute we're going to go through the modes while we're driving down the road. I'm going to shut the hell up and let y'all guys see what it sounds like inside the vehicle. We'll roll the windows down, kind of give y'all guys an outside sound. That way y'all kind of get the inside and the outside of one of these 650s with long tubes. Like I said before in the previous video, it's pretty much just an S650 with long tubes, but y'all guys be the judge. Here we go. mostly just the loud and then the quiet.
Okay. So how do you like driving this? Like, I know a few Almost have 1,000 miles on it.
Close, dude. I'm so like, it's gonna be so sad when it hits 1,000. Almost crying.
Yeah.
Told myself, like, I'll never hit 1,000 in this thing. I'll never modify it. Here we are now, about to hit 1,000 with long tubes. Come on, bro. Exhaust on that. Go back to being
this thing pulls fucking hard.
Huh?
Yeah, this thing pulls hard.
Doesn't it though?
Pulls harder than mine.
I mean, from what all the information I'm seeing, I've seen 480, I've seen 470, I've seen 500 horsepower, but I mean, again, that's all, man, guys, that's dyno to be specific, DA, where you're at, what elevation. I mean, all that's subject to change, whatever car. But I can tell you right now, I'm pretty accurate with my ass dynos, and this car feels like it makes a solid 470 horsepower. Like to the actual tire, it feels like a solid 470. Hell, it might even make a little bit less, a little bit more. To tell you the truth, I really don't give two shits, John, because I love it. It sounds awesome. It runs good, and the best part is there ain't no orange pumpkin down here, guys. No. Well, these long tube fella, all these, you're gonna ruin that thing. It's gonna have check engine lights and, yeah, no, we're good. I'm still enjoying my car, and yes, we know tuning is optimal for headers, but I don't care. It's about miles per mile at this point, and we're almost hitting 1,000 of them, which is very upsetting. So, yeah, damn it. Oh shit! Anybody who watches my YouTube channel that keeps up with my videos and grew up with me in my hometown, they see this road, they're gonna be like, oh damn, the old 8th mile. We did a lot of bad shit over here, John, back in the day. Back before that tank and all that stuff was over there, it was like a big old cul-de-sac. Yeah. And we would drag race up this and like shut down like at that second street. We did stupid shit as kids, man. We didn't think. you have it. So all the naysayers out there that's in the comment sections, the ones that are mostly the Dodge guys that are not liking the way they sound. I don't know about you, me personally, as y'all guys can clearly see, I'm not a kind of guy that's just a fanboy to one brand. I love my Fords, I love my Chevrolets. For the ones that were aggressive in my comment section, you Dodge guys, those are the Dodge guys I don't like. All you other cool Dodge guys that are like, I like all of them, y'all guys are cool. But again guys, if y'all like today's video, like, subscribe, comment down below, leave me some more insight on guys what you think about the exhaust now that you actually get a comparison for yourself. Now you get an inside view of what the car actually sounds like. There you go guys, there you have it. If you want to, destroy your car like these people say, there you go, that's what it's going to sound like. See you guys in the next one. Peace.